Welcome to Sherpas, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing complex crimes. Ano nga ba ang complex crimes? There is complex crimes when a single act constitutes two or more grave or less grave felonies, or when an offense is a necessary means for committing the other. Take note, complex crime is only one crime. Kahit dalawa o higit pang krimen ang nagawa niya, if consider itong complex crime, consider lang itong one crime sa mata ng batas. Hence, isa lang ang penalting ipapataw sa kanya. May dalawang uri ng complex crimes. First, compound crime or delito compuesto, and second, complex crime proper, delito complejo. I-discuss natin bawat isa. Compound crime or delito compuesto. There is compound crime when a single act results in two or more grave or less grave felonies. Paano natin malalaman kung compound crime ang nagawa ng akusado? May dalawang requisites or requirement na dapat mayroon upang masabing ang nagawa ng akusado ay considered compound crime. Ano ang mga ito? Una, that only a single act is performed by the offender. Isang act lang ang ginawa ng offender. Pangalawa, that the single act produces two or more grave felonies. One or more grave and one or more less grave felonies. Or two or more less grave felonies. Basically, yung isang ginawa ni offender nag-produce ng iba pang crime. Example, si offender nagtapon ng granada. Itong granadang ito sumabog. Noong sumabog, 3 tao ang natamaan at namatay. Dito, isa lang yung ginawa ni offender, which is yung pagtatapon ng granada. Pero yung pagtatapon niyang yon, 3 tao ang namatay. Another example. Si Pedro pumunta ng mall at may daladalang baril. Pagkapasok niya, binaril niya si Jose. Pagkabaril kay Jose, binaril din ni Pedro si Juan. Dito walang compound crime dahil 2 beses siyang nagpaputok. Sabi natin kanina, dapat isang act lang or gawa. Now let us discuss the second kind of complex crime, which is complex crime proper or delito complejo. Kailan naman may complex crime proper? There is complex crime proper when an offense is a necessary means for committing the other. Kagaya sa compound crimes, may mga requirements or requisites din ang complex crime proper para makonsider itong complex crime proper. Ano nga ba ang mga ito? Una, that at least 2 offenses are committed. Sa compound crime, isa lang. Ito naman 2 or at least 2. Pangalawa, that 1 or more of the offenses must be necessary to commit the other. Na yung isa o higit pa na crime na ginawa niya ay kailangan upang magawa niya yung isang krimen na nais niya. Pangatlo, that both or all the offenses must be punished under the same statute. Kung under special penal law yung isang crime na ginawa niya, magiging separate crime po yung na-violate niya under SPL or special penal law at hindi iko-complex yung nagawa niya under or violation niya under the revised penal code. Doon sa second element, nabanggit natin kanina na one or some of the offenses must be necessary to commit the other. Ano nga ba ang meaning nitong necessary or necessary means? The phrase necessary means in Article 48 does not mean indispensable. Otherwise, the offense as a necessary means to commit another would be an indispensable element of the latter and would be an ingredient thereof. Let us illustrate. Si Esther, isang government employee, inoffer niya kay Ernesto na siya na ang magbabayad ng capital gains tax sa BIR na may halagang 130,000 pesos. Sabi din ni Esther kay Ernesto na may connections or kakilala siya sa BIR na magpaprocess ng payment niya. Pinipilit ni Esther kunin ang bayad ni Ernesto at sinabi pa nito na magli-leave siya sa work niya para lang i-accommodate si Ernesto. Then, noong nakapagbayad si Ernesto, pumunta si Esther sa loob ng opisina ng BIR. Pagkatapos niya, may daladala siyang photocopy ng resibo na binayaran daw niya sa BIR. Sabi pa niya na ang orihinal ng resibo ay nasa kakilala niya sa loob ng BIR. Upon inquiry sa BIR, nalaman ni Ernesto na yung resibo ay peke at hindi na-process ang transaction niya sa BIR. Ano ang liability dito ni Esther? Sabi ng Supreme Court, complex crime of estafa through falsification of public document. Si Esther dito gusto niyang lokohin si Ernesto upang makuha ang pera niya. Para magawa niya yon, nameke siya ng BIR official receipt. Sa crime na estafa, hindi mandatory na mag-falsify ka ng document para masabing estafa. Falsification is not an element of the crime of estafa. Pero ito yung ginamit ng offender para makamit niya yung gusto niyang crime na estafa. Falsification dito ay necessary pero not indispensable. Penalty of complex crimes. The penalty for complex crime is the penalty for the most serious crime, the same to be applied in its maximum period. Example, balikan natin yung example natin kanina. The penalty for falsification under Article 171 is prison mayor and a fine not exceeding 1 million pesos. The penalty for estafa is based on the amount of damages. The amount involved is 130,000 pesos. Thus, the penalty is arresto mayor in its maximum period to prison correctional in its medium period. The penalty to be imposed therefore is the penalty for falsification, as this is the most serious crime for having graver penalty, that is prison mayor. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.